Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you change your age on Bumble. So let's get into the video. So if you want to change your age in Bumble, in Bumble, and that's once you have already registered. So for some reason there's a mistake and you want to change it. So what you can do is that as you may be aware that there is no direct ways to change your name after you have registered your account. So while you register your account, you need to make sure that there's no mistakes in your date of birth or on your age, because you won't be able to change it once you have already registered. So but at some point where you by mistakes do happen. So if you want to, if there's a mistake and you want to change it, so the only way we can fix it is by reaching out to the Bumble team. So to do that, what you have to do is you got to go to your Bumble website. So on your web, so do not use the app. So go to the website. All right. So go to the website and go to the bumble.com and log into your account. So once you have logged into your account, just click on the contact and FAQs. So under FAQs, just click on FAQs. So here, just type in age issue. So just you will to go to a related topic on age. So click on this topic here, age is wrong on profile. So click on it, and then here there will be a link to reach out to Bumble team. So click on it. So now here, this is the questionnaire that we're going to send to Bumble. So just choose probably a technical issue, and then type in your name, your email address, all right, and then choose your Bumble mode that you're using, and then which platform, Android or iOS. Choose that, and then here click on other, and then type in the your exact issue. So say that you have mistakenly choose there's a mistake on your date of birth. So you, as a result, your age is wrong, so you want to change it. And then if you have any proof to claim your if you have any proof to claim your to support your claim, so you can just add in here. You can add a screenshot or whatever, anything that will be useful. And once you're done with all that, and then all you have to do is hit on send message, and this will send a message to the Bumble teams, and they should be able to fix up your age issue on your profile. So that's pretty much it is, as there's no any other right way to change your name, change, I mean your age by yourself. So this is the current workaround we have. Hope this information is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.